Bismillah. Just before I start the class, I would just like to make a reminder for the brothers and also the sisters. Brothers, when you are praying, you're supposed to call upon Allah Azza wa Jal. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not deaf and dumb. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can hear you wherever you are. So if you're praying and you're making your tasabih so loud that I could hear it while I'm praying, I don't know about the person who's next to you, he's going to be upset and he's not going to be focused. So when you make your adhkar or tasbih, you only move the lips and the tongue. The sound will be annoying and also to be causing disturbance. The person who's next to you is going to make tasbih with you because he can't make his own tasbih. So make sure, akhi, barakallah fi, you just move the lips and the tongue. So this is to raise up your voice. It could be from the waswas of the shaitan. The shaitan is telling you you're not actually reading the tasbih unless you make it loud so that your ears can hear it. So please, brother, do not incur sin. Those people next to you might curse you. Might say to you, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala stop him, this guy, or make him to die. So make sure, akhi, don't disturb the people before you, next to you, because they're praying and they need quietness when they are praying. So tasbih with loud voice is causing disturbance. Jazakumullah khair. We'll come to that inshallah to the class. Fadal.